All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at Unicorn Beetle sent over their new cases for the brand new MacBook Pro edition. So this is the 14 and this is the 16. And so obviously I have the 14. So we're gonna pop this open and pop it on. We're gonna give it a quick once around. And I appreciate them sending this over. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Let's move the 16 aside because I will be getting a 16. Stay tuned. So this is the way it comes to you. Let's get it popped open here out of all this plastic and just rip it open. There we go. We'll get it all popped up because I really wanted a case for my MacBook Pro, and this was a long time coming. So it tells you here in the instructions how to put it on. Obviously, this is the bottom piece for the ventilation and everything. That's obviously fairly simple. And then you have the top portion here. So put the cover on the MacBook Pro, press it firmly on the snaps. Yeah, so this is like their cases. So let's get all of this taken off and let's take a closer look. Oh, beautiful. Don't you just love the sound of new products popping open? So you've got some branding here from Supcase right along this area right here, and you've got some rigid designs, texture around all the edges there, and you got the carbon fiber look around the front here. You've got like a little gray pattern see-through. That's pretty nice. So we'll keep that face down, and in the bottom piece here you have some feet on here to keep it raised for the ventilations. You can see the ventilation vents here. If you've never seen the MacBook Pro 14 or the 16, they've got a lot of ventilation on them, so it's really good. The fans have yet to kick on in my brand new MacBook Pro 14. Obviously, I've had it now for several months, but they have yet to kick on. So you got carbon fiber here to match the lid when it's closed, and you have tons of ventilation here. So let's go ahead and get the 14. Here it is. It'll go down in there like that. So again, you can see here, it's a little dirty on the bottom. You can see here all the ventilation here. I'm actually going to clean it up a little bit before I get it in there. Let's get some alcohol.
We want to make sure that our product is clean. So let's get it all cleaned up. It's just been sitting here for some reason. I don't know if I have anything on the bottom of it. There we go.
It is clean. So now we want to position it down in here like this on the bottom. As you can see here, it is obviously uniformed. So you've got some snaps right there to make sure it does not move from this area right here when it's seated. And then you have areas around the side. And this is what it looks like here. And this is what it looks like on this side. So let's clean off the top area here. And we'll have our MacBook Pro 14 protected. So beautiful. Super excited for this one. Again, shout out to Supcase for sending this over, Unicorn Beetle style, baby. Let's see here. This is beautiful. Oh, wait. Oopsies. Here we go. Hey, you can't have a good video without some kind of funny parts to it. If you don't know about bloopers, something's wrong. So here we go. All right, there we go. So now you want to make sure it's snapped all around the edges. And you can tell you have it on right when you have these two areas matching up. Unlike your man Jay, who was so excited. But yeah, here we go. You can hear the little snaps going on when you're looking at it. You can hear the snaps. So the only difference with this case right here, and it just prevents me from using one of my main hubs when I plug in, where it gives me the high-speed Ethernet. I just have to use a different hub. But other than that, this is what the case is going to look like. Very nice. And then when you open it up, you got the lid there, and it is ready to go. You can see how it looks around the edges here for the keyboard. This is what it looks like. And then around the top area of the glass, you can see there's little snaps that kind of go all around the edges of the glass, that's pretty cool. So this will be really nice here in the desk now. I got full protection. I feel better traveling with it now if I needed to travel with it. And again, here's a look at all that ventilation. Look at all these areas that are out right here. And on the bottom, get heat out of there. Along the sides here, all that heat will be extracted. And then you got the feet, and this is what it looks like. They even left this clear on the bottom here so you can see your MacBook Pro logo. Some people are excited about that. But there it is, man. This is the MacBook Pro Supcase Unicorn Beetle. Finally, some protection, real protection for your MacBook Pro. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will leave a link to this in the description. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Grab this, folks. It's a no-brainer if you have a MacBook Pro.